Alright, what's up guys? I just want to make another quick video basically saying what all I've done. Alright, so I went ahead and got the LED lights. I don't know if you can see them. It's a great job on how I did it. Not really. This one's coming off. That's nice. Oh, it ripped. It's broken. That's fun. Dang, that's unfortunate. Oh. No more on this side. It's unfortunate. Rip. Anyways. I got some on the back as well, and the right side. Let's see, is the right side still holding up? A little bit. Don't see how long though. It's probably gonna break anyways. But yeah, I got all that done. I also got the steering wheel done. I'll show you guys that. Dang, I just don't have a left side anymore. That's cool. I guess it goes for the whole ricer aspect I'm going for. Oh yeah, I also took off this shift knob. Cause I don't want it. Yeah guys, that's how it looks. I'm gonna try to get everything else done. I don't know if I want to do the e-brake or not. So I gotta get all the gauges. It's got quite a bit to do. I don't know if I want to rip out that left side or not now. I'm gonna go ahead and get this wire out the way though, because you know, that's fun. It's cool. It's cool. Let's just see how it is. It's lovely. Highly lovely. I can just get a new cable and get more lights, I guess, for it, or just solder them back together, but I doubt it. Ugh. I love life. I swear I do. Just frustrates me. Very, very frustrating. Sorry about the camera, guys. My other GoPro is not wanting to work, so, and I don't have a case for this one. But yeah guys, so about all I've done for now. I got the stickers. I don't know if I showed you guys that in the last one, but yeah guys, I'm gonna record another video tomorrow, pretty sure tomorrow, yes tomorrow, and drive around for a bit. But yeah guys, I'm pretty sure that right side's gonna fall off here soon too. So it's just gonna be a fun time. Very, very, very unfortunate fun time. Maybe I can just. It's highly unfortunate. It's beautiful. It's beautiful work. I might make a little video on my Instagram, same thing as my YouTube channel, with the lights, the free lights that work. But yeah guys, that's about it. Take it easy for now. I'll post another video maybe tomorrow, going over everything. Driving it, of course, because you know, I don't do that a lot. In town at least. I want to start doing that more. Yeah guys, as always, take it easy.
All this shit too easy, dawg. Money be, Apple be, for the be, quit to be, grabbing my money, wouldn't from my waist. I'm already about all of these enemies. Just to show when I shut